The extension to the Greenway Trail in Lisbon is nearly complete, but not quite. And it still needs ODOT approval.
But it's already seen some people use it in ways that they shouldn't. First News reporter Jacob Thompson shows us what the Columbiana County Park District says they didn't expect.
The part of the Greenway Trail along State Route 154 outside of Lisbon looks about finished. All the asphalt has been laid and signs are up. One last part is to install crosswalks along 154.
There will be a flasher that's going to be solar operated, have one of those solar panels, and when the cyclist comes up to it, they'll push a button, it'll flash.
The project is well on schedule. Once ODOT approves, it will be handed over to the Park District. But about a week ago, they hit their first surprise.
We did have a problem with someone actually driving a vehicle on it. There is signage that says no motor vehicles.
But the signs are at the one end of the trail. The tire tracks can be found on the wooden bridge, which is more towards the middle. There are multiple driveways that run along the trail where someone could have entered at.
I don't think it was mistaken for a public right-of-way, if you follow me.
A neighbor spotted happening.
What are they doing? Oh no, they're driving over the bridge. So they called somebody that they knew some of us, and so we went out and looked and like, oh my.
They didn't alert the police. Outside of the tracks, it wasn't damaged.
It cannot continue to happen, so we're going to be having to take some precautions. So.
Their solution so this doesn't happen again is a post near the trail entrances, right in the middle.
We'll have to drill, dig in and put this post there, and then it has to be so that we can pull it out for maintenance purposes if we should need to go through there with a larger vehicle.
In Lisbon, Jacob Thompson, WKBN 27 First News.
Hi everyone, I'm Lindsay Watson. Thanks for watching the WKBN 27 First News YouTube channel. If you want more video news, subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the WKBN 27 First News app for breaking news alerts.